Moving into a dorm or carrying heavy items up to 200 pounds into your home easy with its stair climbing wheels that climb both up and down stairs. This gadget comes with a large tote with 8 pockets to carry shopping or grocery items in one trip. The bag is waterproof and can double as a laundry bag, and it folds super compact when not in use.
If you have limited counter space in your bathroom, this silicone mat is the perfect solution. It rolls right over your sink to provide extra space for all of your products while you're getting ready, and it's even heat resistant. These wall-mounted dispensers are great if you're looking to declutter your shower. It has separate canisters for your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You can refill them from the top, and they're also removable from their base for deep cleaning. And lastly are these towel hooks that fit right over your shower door.
Disposal. Okay, it was time to deep clean my garbage disposal, so I found this brush that's designed specifically to scrub and deep clean all the gunk that gets stuck and causes bad odors. After using the brush, I used these garbage disposal and pipe cleaning pods that have a powerful foaming action formula that helps get rid of any extra buildup food and grease. The pods have a nice lemon scent, and it will instantly clean, maintain, and deodorize your garbage disposal. They're also safe to use if you have a septic system. These are both linked in my Amazon storefront, so go check them out.
This set of containers is perfect to carry while traveling. They work great to put your shampoo and conditioner in and are TSA approved. It also comes with stickers so you can label what's inside. I love the lid so I don't have to worry about it spilling everywhere.
These puck lights are held magnetically on any surface. They can turn on and off with a hand sweeping motion or using a remote control. You can assign one of 2 groups to each light and control either group with the remote. They also come in a pack of 6 and can be charged 3 lights at the same time.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage and you can throw it in the wash too.
These drink docks are perfect for a day at the pool. They are puzzle pieces so you can connect them together and your drinks will float. The floats will work with bottles, cups, and cans. With these, I never have to worry about my cup falling.
Disposable hair drain catchers come in a pack of 25 or 50. Are waterproof, last 2 to 3 weeks, and will prevent your drains from getting clogged.
This is a door stopper that you can attach to the bottom of your door, and then it's readily available for whenever you need to use it. Secondly, this is the perfect step stool to use around the house as it's very light and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors.
This is a weekly pill organizer. Just open the giant pill and twist to add your medicine or vitamins, then close it back up, put it in the case, and pack it away. Perfect to carry while traveling.
These suction cup hooks hang in seconds without any nails or adhesive. They can hold up to 15 pounds and never leave marks behind. You can use them on shower tile, glass doors, and they even work on mirrors to free up space in small bathrooms. They also come in 4 different colors.
Pool must-have. Take this inflatable pool pong with you to the pool or beach for some awesome summer fun. Just fill it with cups and then you're ready to get the pool pong game started. It also has cup holders for your drinks on the side of the float, and you can even use it as a pool float to lay on.
This is a weighted non-slip phone holder that is not only perfect for GPS, but is fully adjustable, is perfect for watching shows anywhere, and it collapses down for easy transport. Create your own custom labels on the go with this inkless label maker. It's Bluetooth and comes with a free app so you can customize your designs. All the labels are waterproof, it's USB rechargeable, and is small enough to take anywhere. This light requires no wiring and will magnetize to the base. It has a smart sensor mode and can be easily taken off the wall for an on-the-go light source. This can be used in any area of your home. You just plug it in to recharge.
Make shopping and running errands easy and fun with your own super lightweight shopping cart that you can configure 3 different ways. It fully expands out, comes with a reusable box for groceries and errands, is designed to go upstairs to easily put items away, and is super easy to store in your trunk.
If you don't like to touch the toilet seat lids, then grab this set of 2 lid lifters. Simply remove the stickers off the adhesive and place on whichever side you like. You can sanitize the lid tabs as needed.
Table is perfect for small spaces or to use as a workspace outside. It's fully customizable to your space, waterproof, has 2 drink holders and 3 height options, and folds down when not in use.
Next up is this ultra luxurious stone drying mat. It absorbs water quickly, dries incredibly fast, and looks great on your countertop. And it doesn't take up a lot of space. Last up is this lid and spoon rest to use while you're cooking. You rest your lid on one side and utensils on the other to protect your countertop.
No clue where to put your blow dryer? This peel and stick option is super sturdy. No hardware installation needed. It has a holder section for your dryer and cable wrangler for easy access in your bathroom, vanity, or bedroom.
This looks like a regular handbag, but it's actually a toiletry bag that's surprisingly really spacious. It comes with a removable bottom pouch, a few containers, and a chain if you want to wear it as a handbag. Second is this toothbrush case that sanitizes your brush using UV light.
First up is this little ball that you can throw in the bottom of your purse to collect any dirt, dust, or crumbs. Anything it collects will just stick to the inside, and then you can just rinse it off and reuse it over and over. Next up is this bag hook that's perfect for when you're out and about. It allows you to hook your bag to a table, a bathroom stall, your stroller, and even your car's headrest. And it's designed to hold up to 33 pounds. Last up is this lint roller ball. If you have pets like me and constantly need a lint roller, this one is great because it's super compact and doesn't require any paper. Once it's full, you can just rinse it off to reuse.
Amazon favorites. These foldable storage bins are great having in your car for groceries. They also come with lids so they can be used as storage or side tables for your home. Lastly, they're perfect as picnic tables or for camping.
These silicone hooks are incredible. I'm using them in the bathroom for my kids' toothbrushes, and let me tell you, their toothbrushes have never been so organized before. But these are also great for keys, razors, hooks, washcloths, so many different things you can hang from these. Love the multifunction.
Get ready to say see you never to messy toothpaste tubes and hello to these Squeeze Me self-closing caps. You simply throw out the original cap and replace with one of these. So easy to use, and the best part, mess-free every single time. Comes in a pack of 3 and great for both adults and kids. Like and follow for more Amazon finds.
Shoes are probably the dirtiest thing we own. If you don't want dirt and germs from your shoes to be tracked around the house or office, this automatic shoe cover machine is your solution. You can also use it before you leave to not ruin your shoes in unpleasant weather. You just load it, keep it by the front door, and stick each foot inside.
Amazon kitchen must-have. This is an organizer for your yogurt. It holds 4 containers of yogurt. Just add the sticky tape and press it into your fridge. You can place it on the top or the side. This helps to save so much room in my refrigerator.
First is this squeegee that works really well on removing condensation in the shower, mirrors, and windows. Second is this cute automatic trash can that's designed to fit narrow spaces.
This countertop snack dispenser has a wide enough mouth to easily pour out pasta, small snacks, rice, beans, cereal, oatmeal, and even dog food. This waterproof mat protects your under kitchen sink area from leaks and spills. These multi-purpose silicone mats act as a splatter guard and microwave mat, pan grabber, jar opener, utensil rest, trivet, and are easy to clean.
Ice tray with a built-in storage box. Once the ice in the tray has frozen, you simply flip the tray upside down and then press down to release it into the box. Instead of having to buy baking soda, this rechargeable deodorizer goes right in your fridge to help eliminate odors.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
You always spill your drink, then you need this gadget. This is the Couch Coaster. It is a weighted armrest that works to hold your mug, drink, remote, and even phone. It is anti-slip, so you don't ever have to worry about spilling your drink.
This fully adjustable bed caddy slides under any mattress and comes with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. It holds tablets, books, magazines, remotes, and your drink, and adjusts down when not used. These coffee mugs come with a lid to keep your drink warm, prevent spills, and doubles as a coaster. This stamp comes with an ink protector and is perfect for covering info before you throw it away. This electric candle lighter has an adjustable neck to reach into jars where the wick is lower. And the double-sided design of these shower curtain hooks allows you to hang or remove your shower curtain and liner separately.
Storage space, here's a few shortcuts. All your baking needs are designed to fit in this one deep baking pan. They are all non-stick and stack perfectly inside each other with 2 baking sheets as the lid. Next, these nifty handles on the pot set are detachable so they don't take up your whole cabinet. It also makes them perfectly stackable, not wobbly and crooked. I can literally fit double the cookware. Plus, it came with airtight lids to stick leftovers right in the fridge, no container transfer needed.
All of your grilling accessories readily available in this 7-compartment caddy. It is so convenient to have silverware and plates ready to go. Never run back in the house again for condiments or spices. These hooks help the chef stay organized. And the paper towel holder is great for cooking cleanup or when it's time to eat. Keep outdoor cooking easy this summer with this grill caddy.
If you don't like your hand touching the toilet seat to lift the lid, grab these rental-friendly lid lifters. It allows you to lift the seat on the outside instead. And maximize cabinet space in your laundry room or pantry with this gadget. It holds onto laundry room items like dryer sheets or rolls of plastic wrap or aluminum foil in your pantry, keeping your home a little more organized.